everybody, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. My name's Jen, and today I will be harvesting some beautiful red Russian kale, as well as transplanting my beautiful dwarf Siberian kale. Kale is a low maintenance crop and it is super easy to grow from seed. Kale is a superfood and it is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It grows great in cool weather. It grows best in between temperatures of 35 and 75 degrees. The kale plant enjoys moist soil and grows well in full sun or even partial shade. When harvesting your kale, you can use the cut and come again method. By snapping off your desired amount of the lower older leaves, it will only encourage more growth and give you a longer harvesting season. When harvesting kale, if you were to leave a few inches of the stem and roots still in the soil, that stem will produce a whole new kale plant. Kale plants are super hardy. They can handle temperatures down to 10 degrees. The cold and chilly temperatures convert the starches in the leaves to sugar, improving the sweet flavor of the kale. Kale is generally grown as an annual plant, but it's actually a biennial, which means it has a 2-year life cycle. During the first growing year, the plant is harvested, and during the second growing year, the plant will then begin to bolt, grow flowers, and turn to seed. And the flowers of the kale plant are edible and sweet. I'll be planting my dwarf Siberian kale next to my lettuce. To help save space, I'll be planting my kale only a few inches apart. Kale is a super easy, fast-growing crop. If you considered growing this superfood, I encourage you to do so. Kale is awesome in stir-fries, salads, there's countless wonderful recipes. Any questions or comments, go ahead and drop it down below in the description. I'm Jen from the Creative Grassroots Garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for joining me.